adventures, we're going to a Target. No, TJ Maxx is the other day.
Yeah.
So we're going to Target. Let's see what they have. I gotta get a few things on my list. So yeah, let's go check it out. They have their dollar spot. Travell. Little cute bell ornament. Oh, that's cute. It's a snowman. Too cute. For $5. Look at this. This is a glass tree for $3. Have a few bells here too. They have all these little different trees. Oh, this is cute. And it looks like it lights up too. They have all these glass ones for $1.
Here's a tree.
Different colors. They also have these mini wood trees as well. These are $1. And they have the bigger ones over here. They have all these different colors. Super cute. They have the little nutcrackers here, different colors, greens, pinks. Look at these ones, little ornaments. You see the deer?
Yeah.
That's cool. These are $1.
Hey, Mommy.
Yeah?
I'm seeing what's that.
They also have the bigger nutcrackers as well. With the little iridescent. Yo, look what I found right here. This jacket is so cute. It's from Wild Fable. I have no clue how much this is. Yo, look at these over here. These are super cute, but different colors. And the tops.
Deal.
I'll think about it, okay? This is a cute pouch for $10.
No.
This is really cute. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can find. This is Universal Thread, $20. Oh, here's the number. Oh my gosh, so cute. This little pouch is super cute. Oh, I love it. Universal Thread, and y'all, it's only $12 too. This too. I need to actually get me one. They have like a bamboo, like a wooden one. Super nice. Of course, they have all the cute jewelry. Look at this, and it's $7.99. I love this brand.
I want a dinosaur egg.
You want a dinosaur egg?
Yeah.
What?
Please.
These are super cute.
Daddy, also, if we done with this tour, you can give me a dinosaur egg.
Well, you have to behave.
I behave.
Yeah.
And don't touch that.
These are really pretty too. $9.99. What else do they have here? I have these ones. Love these hoops. These are also one of my favorites right here. $7.99.
Yeah.
Oh, these Christmas earrings, so pretty. All these.
Butterfly.
Oh, they have the Nutcracker ones. I was looking for the Myers stuff, and the only spray I see is the apple cider one. I was looking for the acorn one, but obviously they don't have any more. And this is, we only have a few sprays left, so let's see what this smells like real quick. They have Hello Kitty stuffy, and it comes with a blanket too. So I'll put this box there. So I'm looking for coffee because I used all my coffee up. Oh no. My heart was dropping. I went over there and they're all out of the caramel over there, but they have 2 left here. I think I'm just gonna get one because they're $11.49. I thought they were cheaper than that last time, but whatever. We're gonna get one because I'm running out. Or should I get 2? I don't know. Myers spray. I smelled this apple cider one. It smells like a Christmas tree kind of. I don't know. It just smelled like fall, but I was looking for the acorn one, and they don't have the spray, but they have the hand soap, and it smells really good. No wonder the spray is like sold out. I really want one. I really want one. I think I like that over the apple cider one. So I might put the apple cider back, because why am I going to get something that I don't like can fully commit to the smell, I guess. Have a clearance section. Look for candles. $6.49. Right, this is for candles, right? Earth in Hand. I really like this. That's really cute. And they have a candle as well. This scent is cashmere and suede. Look at these pillows over here. These are cool. The like almost balsal kind of material, and then you got your green and red to choose from. This deer is really pretty. This one is $20. I love this right here. $15, it's not bad. And they have a small one back here too. This one's $10.
That one.
This is different. It's like a marble tree. This one's $20. I kind of like this. This is really cool and different. They also have a bigger one too. They also have this like advent calendar kind of thing. And then look at all the blankets too. I really like this one. This one's really cool. And then this one's really soft. I like that one. These stockings are really cute and they're really soft too.
I like those stockings.
These are $15 from Threshold. These.
I like these.
This is really nice and different for $10. Oh, look at these. These are candles. That's pretty cool. They have some hand towels. Super cute. And then some bath stuff. Oh, look how cute these are. These are $3. They have the plates. A Christmas tree. It's for your kids, a mat, $3. And then look at all the mugs over here. These are so cute for $5. They have the Christmas tree, the gingerbread man. They have the Santa Claus. And then the letters. How cute. That's funny. This one says bite me. These are so cute. But do I need one? They have an espresso one and a bigger one. I did not find that acorn spray, which sucks because after smelling the hand soap, I definitely want that spray to clean the house because it smells so good. I'm gonna show you what I got real quick. So I got the Starbucks non-dairy creamer almond and oat milk pumpkin spice latte. So I haven't tried this one before, so hopefully it's good. We'll have to make something with that. And then I got some tissues. They had some like neutral tissues that were cute. They're only like $1.30 or something like that for individuals. My husband, he had to do a PT test yesterday and now he's all stuffy and got sinuses and stuff. So, and then I ended up just getting one of these, the caramel flavored. I don't know if I should have just got the other one too. I honestly, yeah, I probably should have. But we only got one of these. This one is so good, the caramel. Oh, so good. And then we're going to try this one out, vanilla cappuccino. Hopefully it smells pretty good. I'm going to put this one in my room and hopefully I like it. And then some more Kleenex on the go. And then of course some sandwich bags because I ran out. So that's everything that I got today. I'm excited to put this one in the room and hopefully I love it. It was like $5, I think. Kind of pricey, I guess, for two, but whatever. But yeah, that was today's little finds at Target. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, girls.